Right now at 5:30, breaking down a bill filed in Tallahassee aimed at keeping your neighborhood safe from dangerous dogs. Under this law, dogs are considered dangerous if they've attacked or aggressively chased people.
Yeah, the bill was inspired by Pam Rock. She was a mail carrier killed in a dog attack in Putnam County back in 2022. The dogs had previously put another neighbor in the hospital. News4Jax reporter Ann Maxwell spoke with Rock's family about this new legislation.
Pam Rock's siblings say her death never should have happened. When her car broke down while she was delivering mail on a dirt road in Putnam County, a pack of hungry dogs escaped their fenced-in yard and attacked her, even though the dog's owner had tried unsuccessfully to surrender them to animal control. Today, I talked to 3 of Pam's brothers.
We're never going to get our sister back. However, there are steps that can be taken to deal with these dangerous dogs that are not currently in place in the current Florida laws.
They took their story to state lawmakers who filed the Pam Rock Act in the House and Senate.
Is there anything in these bills that you think may have saved Pam's life had they been in place?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
This is Kevin. He is a very good boy, but if this law were to pass and he were to aggressively bite or chase somebody, he'd have to be impounded by animal control immediately as an investigation gets underway.
Animal control would have to put down a dog found to have severely hurt a person. But if a dog is found dangerous for another reason, their owner would have to have them neutered and get $100,000 of liability insurance on them to cover any damages in the event of an attack.
Dogs deemed dangerous would also have to be put on a registry, kind of like a sex offender registry, but one where you could instead look up pictures and addresses of dangerous dogs. The owner of a dangerous dog who violated this proposed law could be fined up to $1,000, and if they fail to keep them enclosed properly, they could face a misdemeanor.
It will give some real accountability levers by which the law can go after irresponsible owners.
Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.
We learned today